Hey there, fellow curious minds. Today, we are diving into a fascinating phenomenon that's got the tech world buzzing. It's all about those who are not just embracing, but actively celebrating the idea of being replaced by AI. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a room filled with people who are so passionate about AI that they're ready to welcome it into their lives, even if it means their own roles become obsolete. That's the vibe at ClawCon, a unique gathering in New York City. The host, Michael Gelpert, a true believer in this AI revolution, has traveled all the way from San Francisco. He believes we are on the cusp of a new era, and it's up to us to embrace it. Now, OpenClaw, formerly known as ClawBot and Moltbot, is a personalized AI agent that's taken the AI community by storm. It can do everything from managing your emails to setting up complex trading portfolios. And its rapid growth and popularity have led to some fascinating developments. What's truly intriguing is the community that's formed around OpenClaw. These enthusiasts are not just using the AI, they're creating a whole new world with it. They've developed a social media platform, Moltbook, where the bots interact, and even created a religion, Christafarianism, with its own set of beliefs. So, here we are, in a room full of people who are not just excited about AI, but are actively participating in this post-human world. It's a movement, as Scott Breitnother, CEO of Kilo Code, puts it. Personally, I think this raises some thought-provoking questions. What does it mean to embrace AI to this extent? Are we witnessing a new form of human-AI collaboration, or is it a step towards a future where humans become obsolete? One thing's for sure, the Claw community is a fascinating glimpse into a potential future, and it's a future that's already here. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the Claw? Or does this make you question our relationship with technology? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments.